Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart a 92 Beretta. Okay, so what you'll need is something skinny with a point, or either a small Phillips head, and something to hit it in with. Okay, so first things first, you're going to want to take out your clip. Okay, after you've done that, you're going to want to cock your gun and shoot it to make sure there is no BB in it. And I've already done that, so now that after you've done that, you're going to want to take and get a little pin out that is located right there on the side with the safety. And what you're going to want to do is take your small little skinny little thing with a point, or either a small Phillips head, and stick it on it. And then you're going to want to take your thing to hit it out. And once you've done that, the hole should be hollow. Oops, hold on. Back in. Well, you get the point. It should be hollow. And this thing that comes out should look like this. Just a small little rod. And once you've done that, you want to push this forward and up. And it should come out. Okay, now once we're going to put this to the side because I don't know how to take that apart. Once you've done that, you're going to want to take this apart, but be very careful because it can launch a piece that you need and you might lose it, which happened to me a few minutes ago. And well, I lost it at first, but then I couldn't find it, but then I found it. Okay, so woo. Ooh, 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 ooh. Once you've done that, you'll have all of this. And to put it back together, all you do is you take your barrel and you put it into this little piece, which will do now. Okay, so I have gotten it in, and once you do that, you're going to want to take this piece and make sure that that little thing right there is not facing the same side as that, which it is now. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to put that piece that's sticking out on it, and stick it into the little slit of that. And hold on while I do that. There we go. And once you've putting it in, it should look like that. And after that, all you do is take it and you put it on here, lining it up with the pieces that stick out, which would be those right there, the railing. And you just slide it back. And if it gets stuck like mine did, just take your hand and hit the top. until it goes in, like that. Then once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is from the opposite side that you took the little rod out from, you're going to make sure that the little piece with the ridges, the little side with the ridges on it, is facing towards you. What you're going to want to do is put it in that little hole that it was in, and you're going to slide this back and push in on the rod so that it will go in. And once it goes in as far as you can get it, wait, no, hold on. Come on. Okay, so once you get it in as far as you can get it, you're going to take your skinny little thing, put it on it, and then hit it in until there is no bump. Okay, I have just done that, and what you're going to do to make sure that it still works fine, you're going to cock it, and then you're going to shoot it to make sure that it works good. And mine works perfectly, so subscribe, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.